Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to walk you through installing IntelliJ on your Chromebook using Linux. So you can do this on Linux also. So first off, go to Google and search IntelliJ. So once you search IntelliJ, then you click on the download link. So it takes you to the download site on IntelliJ, the download section. So at the top here you can see Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So switch to Linux because we are using a Linux container on our Chromebook. If you want the ultimate version, you can choose it, but we are using the community version. We have the community version right here. So you can see there's a drop down button here that has a Linux and a Linux ARM64. So this is basically depending on the architecture of your CPU. So to check your CPU's architecture, I'll open my terminal right now. So I'll open a new terminal window. So I have a new terminal window here. So you just type dpkg print architecture. So it prints ARM64. So this means that my CPU is an ARM64 based CPU. So I go back here and I download the ARM64 version of IntelliJ community. Yeah, and I have downloaded this already. So just download it and get back to the video. So I have it right here. So once you download it, it goes into your downloads folder. Make sure to move it into your Linux container. So move it into your Linux container, then extract it. So extract it into its own folder. Then back in your terminal. So that's in your Linux container. So back in your terminal. So I can find it in my home directory. So if I list things out, you see IntelliJ right here. So it's inside this folder. So once I navigate into this folder, you can see I have two files here. I have the zip file here, and then I have the another folder here. So I'm going to navigate into the folder. So once I navigate into the folder, this is what I get. So this is the extracted folder. And to run IntelliJ, simply go into bin. So cd into bin. Then once you are in bin, you list everything out to see what's in bin. So we have a few files in here, but what we really want is this idea.sh file. So what you have to do is just run it. So to run it, you just dot / then idea.sh. so this is just the command to run it. Then you press enter. So it will run IntelliJ on your machine. So let's just give it a minute for it to start. So it starts. Okay, so this is it, IntelliJ IDE community. Then once it starts, you can go into the settings and make it available on your desktop. So let's just give it a minute to start up. So this is what it looks like. Then you click on the settings, then create desktop entry. Then you can create a desktop entry, but I've done that already. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.